Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from Life360. In order to remove a contact or a member from Life360, you must first be the admin of the circle. If you have created the circle by yourself, then you can easily delete them. Open up your Life360 application and log into your account first. From the home page, go ahead and select your circle from where you want to delete the contact from, and then tap on the gear button at the top left. Now, from the settings menu, click on Circle Management. Now, scroll down and click on Delete Circle Members. Now select the person you want to remove and click on Delete at the top right. Click on Yes to confirm, and then you will be able to delete someone from your Life360 circle. If you are not the admin of the circle, then you cannot remove someone, but you can simply leave the circle to stop sharing your location. Remember that removing someone from the circle stops their location sharing and notifications in that circle. They won't be notified they are removed, but they'll notice they are no longer in that circle. So that's how you remove someone from Life360 circle. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.